with your sweet soul, this soul of mine has merged, as water does with wine. Who can part the water from the wine, or me from you when we combine? You have become my greater self. How can smallness limit me? You've taken on my being. How shall I not take on yours? Forever you have claimed me, that forever I may know you are mine. Your love has pierced me to the depths. Its ecstasy entwines both bone and nerve. I rest as a nay laid upon your lips. As an oud, I lie against your breast. Breathe deeply in me, that I may sigh. Strike upon my strings, and tears glisten. Sweet are my tears, and sweet my sighs. Worldly joys I return to the world. You remain in my innermost soul, whose depths the mirrored heavens reflect. O pearl in this muscle shell, O diamond in my darkest mine, in you this honey is dissolved. O milk of life, so mild, so fine, our sweetnesses all merged in you, sweetens infant smiles. You crushed me into rose oil, drop by drop, and I do not complain beneath the press. In your sweet pain, pain dissolves. For I, your rose, had this intent. You bade me blossom on your robe, and made me your sign for all eyes. And when you pour me upon this world,